How's it going, guys? Davaskye back with another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing this guy, the Blue Yeti USB microphone. I am super excited to get this thing out, to hear how it sounds as opposed to this phone microphone I've been using for ages. So yeah, we finally have a dedicated microphone. And yeah, let's just get right into the unboxing. All right, so I already took off one of the tags. So now let me lift it up so you guys can see it properly. I'm gonna just open this, and I'm going to pop. The box is already torn, but that's okay. We're gonna struggle to open this box as we literally tear it apart. Boom, get it off. Get it out. So that's the inside of the box. Right? That's how the inside looks. All right, we're good. And then we're gonna pull out this thing here, which is it's a box in a box, apparently. There's another box inside of the box. All right, so now we're gonna open up this one, and there's another tab thing. And I do not have a fancy knife, so I will be struggling to pull this off. And if I take too long, I will skip to the part where I have it off. So yeah, there is a struggle right now to get this thing off. I'll definitely just cut to the part where I have the tab off, but it's coming. All right, and that's the tab. So tab's off. So let's open up. And this is what we're greeted with. This first thing's the USB cable to connect it to the computer or whatever device you're going to be recording the stuff on. We got some Yeti manuals and stuff. Yeah, Yeti manuals, safety instructions, and foam. All right, we got some foam. And then this, the microphone itself. We got it. Right here, it comes with a stand. I'm gonna just take it out so you guys can see. Woo. Yo, this is this is actually kind of heavy. To be honest, this is actually a little heavy. That's it for the box. Just foam and stuff inside. Put that to the side, and we have the microphone. I think it's upside down. Like, I think we're supposed to like spin it over. Oh, we have a little foam thing there too. Yeah. This, friends, is the Blue Yeti microphone, and it comes with some silica. Don't eat silica. Alright. So yeah, that's it. Comes with a little tap thing as well. It's a microphone right here. We've got some I got some fingerprints. That's what we've got, yeah. Some fingerprints to start. Ooh. And we have a volume control, the mute button. And on the back, or the front, probably the back, we've got the gain, to control the gain here, and the patterns. So these patterns are to control the direction that your voice is perceived by the microphone. I won't go into too much detail, but if you guys want a dedicated video on this microphone, I'll probably be doing that later on. But yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing. This thing is beautiful. I will probably like stitch on sound recording of my voice using this microphone so you guys can hear the difference clearly. All right. So this is the test clip. The audio you are hearing is from the Blue Yeti microphone. Let me know what you guys think. Is the sound quality better than what I had before, or is it worse now? Yeah, just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Davaskye out. Peace. Yeah, that's it. You still here. I'm not sure why, but thank you for staying. Video's over now. maybe you like hearing my voice. Maybe you want to watch another of my videos. That would be great. So it's like, just let me know. Yeah, you know what I mean, just let me know. Just let me know what you trying to do. Just comment it downstairs. You see me? Just do it. Yeah. But yeah, guys, really and truly, thanks for coming all this way here. That's the whole video. Davaskye out for real this time. Peace.